Alright, quick question. Have you ever wondered how a computer actually sees the world? Today, I'm breaking down computer vision, the branch of AI that lets machines interpret images and videos, kinda like how we do with our eyes and brains. Let's start easy. Imagine your phone unlocking with your face. That's computer vision in action. It's not just storing a picture of you, it's mapping your features, measuring the distance between your eyes, nose, mouth, and then comparing those points every time you look at your phone. But how does it do that? It all starts with pixels, tiny squares of color. AI looks at millions of these pixels, breaking down images into patterns. With enough examples, it learns a cat, a car, your face at 7 a.m. Now here's where it gets wild. Computer vision isn't just about recognizing faces objects, it's powering self-driving cars. It's reading handwritten notes. It's helping doctors detect diseases in X-rays. It's like giving machines a sixth sense. See, understand, react to the world around them. So next time you snap a selfie, use a smart filter, remember? There's a mini AI working behind the scenes, making sense of all those pixels at lightning speed. That's the magic of computer vision. And honestly, we're just scratching the surface. Who knows what machines we'll see next? If you want to learn more about how AI thinks and learns, stick around for the next tutorial. See you then.